Welcome to ByteVision YouTube channel. The Dell Latitude 5430 is a mainstream business laptop designed for productivity and portability. It is part of Dell's Latitude 5000 series, which focuses on providing a balance of performance, security, and manageability for professional users. Processor: the Latitude 5430 is available with 11th and 12th Gen Intel Core processors, including options with vPro technology for enhanced remote management and security. Operating system: it comes preloaded with Windows 11 Pro or Windows 11 Home, with some configurations also supporting Ubuntu Linux. Display: the laptop features a 14-inch display with various options, including Full HD, 1920 by 1080, with anti-glare, and some models offering a low blue light feature for eye comfort. Memory and storage: it offers a flexible memory configuration with 2 SODIMM slots, supporting up to 64 GB of DDR4 memory. For storage, it utilizes a PCIe NVMe SSD with various capacity options. Connectivity: the laptop is well equipped with ports, including Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, USB 3.2 Gen 1, Type A, HDMI 2.0, and an RJ45 Ethernet port. It also supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. Security: security is a key focus for the Latitude series. The 5430 includes features like an optional fingerprint reader integrated into the power button, a smart card reader, and Dell's Safe Shutter for the webcam. Design and durability: the laptop has a compact and portable design, with a chassis made from aluminum or carbon fiber reinforced materials. There is also a rugged version of the Latitude 5430, which is built to withstand more extreme conditions and has individual protective covers for its ports. Intelligent features: the laptop incorporates intelligent features like intelligent privacy, which can dim or blur the screen when an onlooker is detected. Comfort: some display options include Comfort View plus low blue light, which helps reduce eye strain during long work sessions. Performance: the system is designed to provide a balance of performance and efficiency, with a cooling solution that helps keep temperatures in check under heavy loads. Thank you for watching ByteVision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.